This is a new construction house. It's almost complete. You have this great front staircase. Goes up to the front porch. We're gonna walk around downstairs first. So you have plenty of parking. It does have some of the impervious pavement up front, which is great. There is an EV charger out here. So you have space for parking. You could do a little outdoor hangout living room area down here. There is irrigation already ready to go. You can fence in along the back property line and the side property line here. So you are in between two wooded lots right now, but you could add a fence. So back here, it's not complete yet, but here is the outdoor shower, which I love how it kind of snakes back. And then you have a light back here. It's just different. You don't have to have a door that you try to open and close. I really like that. What do you think? So I'll show you. And then in here, so you have this door, and then you have the double doors here. And then you have the staircase to the upstairs. So you could maybe enclose this section and still have this for beach gear and whatever else. And then you could have a second hangout. You could have a little bedroom down here. Here is your elevator. But you could have a nice little drop zone here. I love when they have finished out the downstairs. So you can do what you want down here. What would you do? It is nice that you have an interior staircase. And then you also have, if I pointed out when we were back here, the staircase that goes to the back porch. And then into the primary. So something that a lot of new construction that they're doing is they'll put the air conditioners up, and then usually they'll have a ladder or some sort of access point there. So one of the great things about this location is you are on Northeast 41st Street. So you are almost at direct beach access. It is nice and quiet down here. There is the Intracoastal. I can almost see the water from here. You're close to Middleton Park. You have the boat ramp at Northeast 55th Street. And then, of course, you're close to the grocery stores, the restaurants. So this is a great spot. So you walk up to this beautiful covered front porch. Beadboard ceilings. I don't know if you can, the way they've done the tops of these railings is really pretty. Let's go in and take a look. So as you walk into the open living area. So you have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. The windows in this house are gorgeous and let in so much natural light. All the light fixtures are updated. You do have a gas fireplace over here. So there will be a tank, because Oak Island does not have natural gas. But this is some stone. And then you have your built-in mantle around it with your shiplap backsplash. You have LVP flooring throughout, which is great for living at the beach. In the kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances. They are HE. Quartz countertops. Custom built cabinets. There are still some things as we go around that need to be finished. I love this backsplash and even this little spot of darker gray here. Gas stove. You do have 2 sinks. Microwave is down low. This house is very thoughtful, and they have put a little extra here and there. So there are some, I like these deep cabinets here. That would be where my kids' stuff goes. And then pantry space. So upstairs you have 2 bedrooms, each have an ensuite. Back here in the corner you have closet and primary. Back here you have washer dryer, elevator, half bath, and then this door goes downstairs. And that downstairs is not finished, it's just a storage area right now, but you could finish it. And it is nice that you have an interior staircase. So coat closet. None of the closets have the shelving yet, but they will. You do have crown molding, nice thick baseboards. So this is the primary. You do have his and her closets. These windows are great. They are hurricane impact windows. I had a neighbor just came in that she has been watching this been built, and she was so cute telling me how they were out here 7 days a week working, and they built everything by hand, and it's just nice to hear when the neighbor is impressed with the builder. This is Hardie Siding, so it should last and stand up to some storms. So you have this nice covered porch, and then you have a staircase that goes downstairs. Barn doors into the primary bath. You do have a 0 entry shower. They have to finish the shower, of course, but look at this tile. Then you have the transom window. The tile in this house is some of my favorite. Let me know which one is your favorite tile. So this is the bigger closet. Walk in, pocket door, 2 sinks. And you do have all of this space. Again, these are custom made cabinets. Then you have the barn doors. Washer dryer, which is great that the washer dryer and the refrigerator are already here for you. It's move-in ready. Sink does have a tankless hot water heater and you can control it from up here. Love it. Here's the half bath. Turn the light for you. When they complete everything, I'll take an updated video for you. And then here's the elevator, maybe. I guess somebody called it. So you could finish this out. I assume that they're gonna put flooring here. But you could add some fun wallpaper in here. You could do some fun things. The elevator does go up to the top floor. That's to downstairs. We'll go down there in just a minute. Look at this cool iron railing. And then you have all of these windows and this fabulous chandelier. So there's great natural light in here. You have this nice landing here, which goes back to the elevator. They did do the bullnose corners. I love bullnose corners. What do you think? Some people love them, some people hate them, some people don't care. So bedroom number 2, again, nice windows, and then each bedroom has its own ensuite.